welcome to this video tutorial on the Odoo sales order advance payments. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. This is our Odoo backend. After installing the module, we need to set the account for advance payments. Go to Settings, then Invoicing, scroll down to Customer Payments, and you will see Advance Receivable Account. Select an account, for example, bank, then click on the Save button. Now let's create an advance payment. Go to Sales, then create a quotation by clicking on the New button. First, select the customer, add a product, and then click on the Save button. Now for the advance payment, click on the Register Payment button. Enter the amount, for example, 10 USD, and click on Register Payment. Here you can see the advance payment details. Now go back to the quotation, confirm it, then create the invoice and confirm the invoice. Here you can clearly see the advance payment amount added earlier. Apply it by clicking on the Add button. Here you can clearly see the paid amount and due amount separately. Now let's pay the invoice. Click on Pay. The advance payment is automatically deducted from the final bill. Then create the payment by clicking on this button. Here in the invoice, you can clearly see two payments, $2, which is the remaining amount, and $10, which was paid earlier as an advance payment. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.